Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss on a very important topic which will help in your day-to-day life.
Today we are going to learn about the application of the index and match function in MS Excel. The index and match function is the alternative of VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Moreover, the function can be used as a dynamic filtering tool. The main usage of index and match function is for large data sets. For easily accessing the data, the application of this function has been done in MS Excel. So, you can see that there is a table of student details with subheader student ID, name of the student, class, section, state and admission date. From this table, we will be using the index and match function for getting information such as student ID, name of the student, class, section and etc. So, for getting student IDs in a drop down list, we will select on the student ID cell, we will go to data tab and from there we will go to data validation. There we will select allow. In allow we will go to list. In source we will select the entire student ID column and click on OK. So you can see that there is a drop down list with the student IDs. So for more information on static and dynamic drop down list, you can check our earlier video. The link of the video is given on the description box. So now with the help of this drop down, we can easily access the student IDs. Now for getting the other details such as name of the student, class, section and others, we need to write a function that is equals to index first bracket. Now we need to select the array, that is the entire table. Then click on F4 for freezing the table, comma, match, first bracket. Now we need to select the lookup value, that is our student ID first. So click on the student ID cell, F4 for freezing it, comma. We need to select the student ID column for the lookup array, that is this one. Select it and click on F4 for freezing it again, then comma. Now we need to give 0 for exact match, bracket close, then again comma and then match function, bracket open. Now we need to select on the lookup value, that is the name of the student. We need to search name of student, so now we will select the cell of name of student and we will not press on F4. The information related to this will be provided later. So now we will not select on F4 and then comma. We will select the subheads, that is student ID, name of student, class, section, state and admission date, and we will click on again F4, comma. For exact match we will give 0, bracket close, we will close all the brackets and enter. So you can see that we have got the name of the student. So previously I said that in name of student we will not press F4 after selecting the cell, because like now we can easily get the other answers such as class, section by dragging it. So let's drag it and you can see that all the results has come. But if we freeze name of the student column, then we will not be able to get the other details and we'll only get the name. So in order to get all the details as per the header, we will not give in name of student. After selecting name of student, we will not press on F4. So you can see that by changing the student IDs, you can easily get the details without any confusion. Now suppose if any details has been modified, suppose ABC 104 student ID are saying is from West Bengal. Okay, let's write West Bengal. Okay, now let's go and select the student ID ABC 104. So you can see that Punjab has been automatically changed to West Bengal. So with the help of this index and match function in Excel, we can easily access specific data as per the requirement of work easily without any hectic schedule with the help of this formula.
Thanks for watching the video. For more upcoming videos and informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.